Alright, today I'm gonna talk about ways to make money online for free. Legitimate ways to make money online for free. Most people, when they make money, you think about paid survey, which I agree with, but when you think about paid surveys, you want to think about fast paying survey sites like TrueMe.com, Prize Rebel, My Survey, One Opinion, and Springboard America, because them sites are not going to waste your time. Those sites are worth your time. You can actually take those 5 sites and make about a good $100 a week off of them if you know how to utilize them. You know, Later on, I'm gonna show you records of me making like $300 to $500 a month off paid surveys, actual payments. You know, but you might want to spend your vision a little bit. You might want to step and do other things to make more money, because although you can make like $3 at the help of survey site, you can make more money. Doing other things like transcribe. Transcription pay anywhere from like $15 to $25 per screen transcription, and there's a lot of sites that do it. And one of those sites is called TranscribeMe.com. That site is the best site for paid transcription, and they pay very well, extremely well. They also give you a guide teaching you how to transcribe audio clips and converting them into words and making money off of them. This is passive income. That's what you need. That's what you want. You should never have to spend money to make money. You know, there in no instance should you ever spend any money to make money. Unless you're making an investment. But if you happen to spend money to work for somebody, you should know then and there that should be a pretty good sign that it's not something good behind it. You should never have to spend money in order to work for someone. There are times where you may have to spend money to make money, you know, depending on if you're investing in something, what the opportunity is. So yeah, you can check this site out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description called Transcribe. Another way to make money online is to get Fiverr gigs. You know, people per hour gigs, uh, tenor gigs. These are gig sites where you promote your services. If you know how to draw, if you know how to type, let's say type or transcribe an audio or type, if you can type, then you can make money from typing. If you can do transcribe, you can make money transcribe. So them just ideas. I don't know what your experiences are. You may know how to do um I don't know, you know, build social media sites or IT work or something like that, or web development, or software development. Whatever the case may be, you can work for sites like Fiverr and make money with them. You know, promoting various services on the side. And you can also put up a blog and monetize your blog with paid ads. AdSense is not the only site. There are other sites that pay well also. You have to understand something. Most time when you hear about promoting ads, you hear about Google AdSense. They are not the only gig in town. I hear people promoting the same survey sites repetitionally, swag books. But you don't hear nobody talk about Springboard America, Prize Rebel, QMeet. Them sites way better than Swag Book. Nobody talks about them. So that's why I want to kind of like step outside the box a little bit and, you know, give you some of my views and my opinions. And that way, you can step off into doing other things other than the same old thing that everybody's doing, which is just most people when they think of survey, they go to the Swag Books. They don't try the other sites. You know, they go to the same basic sites. You know, but there are plenty of sites out there that can make money online through surveys. There are plenty of money making opportunities online. You just have to try and take your mindset out of, you know, the box a little bit. What I mean by that is, we thinking in terms of what everybody else is giving us. Like most people, they say make money online. We talk about AdSense. AdSense ain't the only gig in town when you're thinking about promoting ads. Surveys, swag books ain't the only gig in town, you know. Taking surveys ain't the only way to make money. I can guarantee you, if you do a study about how to make money online, you'll discover that you can make money online in so many different ways. But you hadn't discovered it because you still stuck with everybody else basic ideas. Man, this is my opinion, you know, and I want to share some views and share some things with somebody, so you won't have it as difficult when you're trying to get your business off the ground, or you know, do what you want to do in life. My name is Mike. You know, I want to thank you for watching my video. This was how to make money online for free and ways to make money online for free. I'll have other videos coming in the future. Also, if you have any ideas that you want to share with me, then leave a comment below. Thanks.